Here we're trying to find the maximum or the minimum of a quadratic function. So first thing they ask, or even if they didn't, if you ask yourself is, well, is this going to have a maximum or a minimum? Well, that depends on whether it opens up or down. And so notice from all these other graphing scenarios, I know because this one starts with a positive number that it opens up. So I'm not 100% sure what everything about the graph looks like, but picture if it opens up, I know that the vertex is going to be a minimum. If it were to open down, that automatically makes that point a maximum. So is it the highest or lowest point? Depends whether it opens up or down. All right, so now that I've got this one opens up, and I know the point I'm looking for is really the vertex, then probably the easiest way to find the vertex is that I know that the x value of the vertex is always at negative b over 2a. So here a, b, c, b is negative 12, so negative, negative b, negative 12. And over 2a, and a is 2. So this says 12 divided by 4, so 3. All right, so picture, I know the vertex then, at least the x value. Well, how can I figure out the y value? Put it back into my equation. How do I get any point, right? I put in different x's and I get different inputs and I get different outputs. So if I put 3 in there, I get 2 times 3 squared is 9. Minus 12 times 3 is 36, plus 14. So this is my f of 3. So 18 minus 36 plus 14. 18 minus 36 is negative 18, plus 14 gives us negative 4. So now I have this xy or xf of x point that I know is the minimum. All right. And then this is kind of a nuanced thing, but let's graph it really quick because we want to make sure that we answer the question they're asking correctly. So I know it opens up and I know the vertex is at 3, negative 4. Let's say that's over 3 and down 4. Okay, so then when they say what is the function's minimum or maximum, so what is the minimum? So we have a point, right? Which part of the point is the minimum? Well, the minimum is saying what's the lowest value you get out of this. So it looks like the lowest value we get out is negative 4. So when they say what is the maximum or minimum, they're talking about the output. So negative 4 is the minimum value. It's the lowest value you get here on the y. Then they say where does the minimum or maximum occur? So where does the minimum occur? So that's saying what x do I have to put in to get that minimum? Well, looks like I have to go to x is 3 to hit this minimum of negative 4. So it occurs at 3, or x equals 3. So if they say what is the minimum, they're looking for an output, an f of x or a y value. If they say where does it occur, that's always an x. You're telling somebody where do I have to go on the x to find that point.